Hi, my name is Danesh Kanakaraj, and today we're going to talk about business storytelling. Stories, according to me, is a universal language that everyone speak, irrespective of which country are you from, which city are you from, and which town are you from. We all use stories as a universal language to communicate with each other. And 80% of the time, what we do is we always communicate in form of writing or in form of speaking. So what happens when you communicate in a story form? When you communicate in a story form, you can invite a person to an experience that has already been which has already been there in the history. So when you invite them, they travel along with you, call that journey through all that challenges and how you have conquered it and how you have succeeded it. You go through the person goes through the entire journey along with him, along with you. So now what happens after this is people are really able to understand what you are trying to say because they have also experienced the journey along with you in that short story. And not only understand, they remember it quite very deeply. And when they remember very deeply, they can also share to other people. If I tell you, share a story that you have learned in kindergarten, I'm very sure you'll be able to share that story. So accordingly, when you invite a person in your journey or in your story, they'll be able to easily understand. It becomes quite memorable, and they'll be able to share it very easily. And this is exactly what we need as a skill in business. We want people to understand about ourselves, about our products and services. We want them to we want them to be memorable. We want our products and services to be memorable in their heads, in their minds, and we also want them to share about our company, about our organization, about what we do to other people, right? So this is exactly what business storytelling does for you. So what I bring to you is, on the 11th and 12th of August, I bring to you business storytelling advanced workshop. So what we are going to do in that workshop is we are going to help you give the framework, the entire framework by how you can share your own business stories. Not only that, we are also going to help you make impactful presentation that will help people memorize about yourself. And not only that, we are also going to write proposals, business proposals using stories. These are all skills to communicate with people so that they understand you more and more and more and more, so that your business starts growing. So let me invite you to my story of storytelling workshop so that you learn more and more about how to craft your story, how to share your story, and how to impact people with your stories. So don't forget, it's on August 11th and August 12th. Thank you. Signing off. My name is Danesh Kanakraj.